So this is the National Enquirer coverage of Ace Soprano Sharks, a feature film all about the iGaming and casino industry. All action thriller, lots and lots of new technology where you can experience it interactive, as this will be the most updated, with the most luxurious clothes, fashion designers, as well as all of the top actors and actresses ever come on stage and film. So the whole idea is to make a memory of what the National Enquirer stands for, so you're bound to get lots and lots of gossip. But this is not just about gossip. It's all about how a poor East End boy grows up to be a man. And apart from his deprived background, you will also get to experience the richness of what it's like to be brought up in the fish and chip area of the East End. But obviously the fact that even Spooks recently stole a scene from our film script, and that is Spooks on TV, made in the UK, and it's unfortunate that they couldn't themselves think of a new way how to make it more enterprising. Instead, they stole our idea. So we are obviously going to go a lot further into entertainment, quality entertainment, as we will be showing not just the latest technology, but also amazing opportunities available in the iGaming industry. So we hope to hear from you very soon. If you're available for funding to assist us in the production of this feature film, which will be filmed in London, Malta, and some of it also in Sicily, because obviously we have to give homage to the dear soprano background. That's why the movie is called Ace Soprano Sharks. So we look forward to hearing from you also if you are in production as a director, as well as actors and actresses, cast and crew. Looking forward to see you soon. Thank you.